negative index expansion. In this case, negative 4x power of 3. That means negative 4 to the power of 3 when you expand multiplied with x power of 2 into 2. 3 into 3 times. This is common index now, so it should be multiplied. So negative 4 to the power of 3 means negative 4 into negative 4 into negative 4. So negative into negative positive, positive into negative, negative. 4 fours are 16, fours are 64. Okay, when you expand this one, it should be x 2 times 3 to the power of 6. 64 x to the power of 6 should be your answer in this case. Negative 64 x power of 6. For the next question, that is about negative 2 times 5. Okay, negative 2 times 5 multiplied with a cubic times power 5 multiplied with b power of 2 times 5. Okay, in this case, negative 2 to the power of 5 means negative 2 into negative 2 into negative 2, negative 2 and negative 2. Then it should be multiplied with a with power 3 times 5, it should be 15 multiplied with b 2 times 5, it's 10. So it should be negative, negative, negative. Okay, when you multiply negative base number in odd numbers, okay, if your direction is an odd number, okay, direction is an odd number, the final answer will hold negative. If the base should be negative, the index should be odd. If the index is odd, we will have negative. If the index is an even number, we will have positive. But hence, in this case, we have an odd number as our index. So it should be negative 32. A power of 15 and B power of 10. This should be your expansion in this case. We can split this into three participants. Negative 2, A power of 3, B power of 2. These three participants combine with together with a common index 5. That means this common index belongs to all the participants. There are three participants. So this 5 belongs to all these three participants. So 2 does not had any powers already. So we can directly write 5 as our power in this case. When you think about your second question, A already have a power. So powers power. This 5 should be, this 3 is 5. 3 times 5. Likewise, when you think about your V star, third participant, this one also already have a power. So we have to represent powers power. So 2 times 5. Here the only value it does not have any powers is negative 2. So that's why we directly indicated negative 2 to the power of 5. A into power 3 times 5, B 2 times 5 power. Okay, when you expand this one, you know how to expand this one already. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So that's 32. If the base is negative, our power is odd number now. So our answer will hold negative direction, negative 32. A power of 3 times 5. 3 5s are 15 and 2 5s are 10. In between there is a multiplication mark. No, this is a cross product. So we can indicate it as a dot product. If there is any multiplication, we can write the answers without multiplication mark in between. Negative 32, A power of 15, B power of 10 should be your answer in this case. Yeah, here negative 6. Okay, let's expand the first expression first. Negative 6 to the power of 3 multiplied with a power of 5 times 3. So negative 6 to the power of 3 means, let's expand this, negative 3 into negative 3 into negative 6 into negative 6 into negative 6 multiplied with a power of 5 times 3, it should be 15. So negative into negative positive, positive into negative negative. 216 a power of 15. A power of 15. This is the way you have to solve your first expression. When we look at our second set of expression, that one, a separate one. Let's see that one. 2 times, okay, 2 to the power of 2, which is multiplied with x to the power of 2 times 2. Okay, the base is different and the index also different in our second case. 2 to the power of 2 means 2 2s are 4. This one should be multiplied with x power of 2 times 2, it should be 4. 4 x power of 4. This is our multiplication. Then you have to multiply your numerical values. That means negative 216 should be multiplied with 4. So that will give you negative 864. Then we can write our remaining algebraic variables as it is. A to the power of 15 and x to the power of should be our answer in this case. What we did here, we just separated our first set and found the final answer. Likewise, second one and separated, found our answer. Then by using these two, we just correlated these two values to finalize our answer as negative 864. A power of 15 and x power of 4 should be your final value in this